Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade shower gel. To begin, gather your core ingredients: liquid castile soap, vegetable glycerin, and distilled water. Castile soap provides the gentle cleansing action, while glycerin adds a lovely moisturizing touch, making your skin feel soft. Distilled water is essential for diluting the mixture and ensuring a stable product. This simple combination forms the perfect foundation for your personalized body wash. Next, let's achieve that perfect shower gel consistency. Dissolve 3 teaspoons of fine salt in 1/4 cup of boiling water, then let it cool completely. This saltwater solution is your secret to thickening the castile soap. For added nourishment, incorporate 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil like jojoba or sweet almond oil. A single teaspoon of vitamin E oil will also boost skin health with its beneficial properties. Now for the delightful part, customizing your scent. Add between 20 and 30 drops of your favorite essential oils to the mixture. Lavender offers a calming aroma, while peppermint provides an invigorating sensation. To ensure your homemade shower gel lasts, always use distilled water. For extended freshness, you might also consider including a natural preservative, such as a small amount of citric acid. Finally, let's bring it all together and prepare for use. Gently combine all your measured ingredients in a clean mixing bowl, stirring slowly to prevent excessive foaming. Once thoroughly mixed, carefully pour your freshly made shower gel into a sterilized pump bottle. Store your creation in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Remember to give the bottle a gentle shake before each use to re-blend the ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.